Welcome to take one part of your hair, secure it properly with a bobby pin, rolling it through it, and just like this, you are done. Take one part of your hair, divide it into two, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Then take few sections of that ponytail, making it into half and rolling it upwards around the circular part of the ponytail which you just made. Then take the remaining part, do plaits out of those two remaining parts and roll it upwards one by one just like this, giving it a circular look. Take one part of the hair, divide it into two, make plaits out of it, tie it in the form of knot just like this. It should give it a ribbony look. It should be easy to handle as well. You should be very careful in doing so. The tricks are easy, but it should be followed properly. Part of the hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take the remaining part, tie it again in the form of ponytail. Then tie plaits with the other remaining half of the hair. Roll the plaited parts upwards and then you are done. Take one part of the hair, tie it in the form of ponytail. Use it, make it a clean green circular look in the form of plait. This process can be complex, but if you follow the steps properly, it will be easy for you. One part of the hair, tie it in the form of ponytail, then along with the help of a clipper, tie that ponytail around that clipper, giving it a circular messy look. Take two parts of your hair, divide it into three parts and then use both the parts of your hair to make it look like a plaited part. This process can be complex, but if you carefully follow the steps, it will be very easy to follow. Consistent until it's totally done. See how beautiful it looks. Take one part of your hair, divide it into two parts, tie it in the form of a ponytail, insert it inside the upper part making through a gap and then secure it with your favorite back pin. Thank you for watching.